Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve load library failed with the error 87, then let's look at the solutions. So the first solution is the basic restart your computer and see if the error shows up again. If it does, then you need to update the graphics card. We'll do that by looking for device manager, click on it, look for display adapters. This is my graphics card. Right click and click on update driver. If that too doesn't work, then the only solution is to look for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, yes, and we will input the command sfc space slash scannow, scan now, press enter, and this should resolve the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.